she was like the first female in that, I think it was that department or in Colorado to be in SWAT.
Oh, wow. Look at the beautiful beach, isn't it? How come we didn't go here? But we went to Hancock, huh? Never even knew this was here when I was a kid. Santa Barbara Beach. Look at, you can even see Santa Barbara Bay over there. Isn't that cool? And the beach. No, where does the camera? No, I like to do this. Well, where do they ship the fireworks off to? Here?
That's off State Street, and yeah, it's off the pier.
Huh?
Yeah, off the pier. No, it's like right next to the pier. Because
Right.
I've sat, me and Sid and Bree sat right in front.
I was going to say, because you had beautiful pictures. Was it crowded?
Yeah. But we sat on the beach.
God, there's no tide.
Oh, we parked over here. And we walked, because we parked like in here, and we walked all the way past the harbor and by the pier.
Oh my God. So you walked a few miles.
Because we parked in here.
But you know what I think is cool? Look at this, the football field down here, right by the ocean. I think that's a football field. Are you gonna rest? Okay. I'll come back for you. I'm just gonna stroll on the bird walk. How cool is that? The football field. Wow. What a neat campus. I'm going to go back now. People surfing. I wonder what those things are. Oh, they're surfing. They're on paddle boards or something. Yeah, there's the job fair. 50 tent set up. Houses up in the hills. Okay, let's go back. There's the fountain over there. Here's Cassie. Okay, get in this now.